What's good? Today we're going to be talking about Star Wars sound effects. Today we're going to be talking about the TIE Fighter. If you don't know what that is, it's basically the Empire and the ships that they use. Basically how they made these. They're most known for like their big screeching sound. It's like, you know, that's my example of it. So basically, how they actually made it is pretty cool. So the editor for like the sound effect editor for Star Wars basically took African elephant noise from the movie The Roots of Heaven, and he basically slowed it down and slowed that sound down from the elephant and mixed it with a car actually driving on wet pavement. So he mixed those two sounds together to make this noise. So that famous sound from Star Wars is made from elephant and car on wet pavement. So, you know, you learn something new every day.